Hi class, my name is Dr. Kennedy Paron. Today we'll be discussing Chapter 2, Section 4, and the topic is conception. So what exactly is conception? So this is when the ovum from the female meets the sperm from the male, and there are 23 new pairs of genetic chromosomes that combine. So testing can be utilized in order to make sure that there is no genetic abnormalities present. This could mean different variants for the child that could lead to different diseases or syndromes. So testing can be utilized in utero in order to make sure that everything is fine with the fetus. You can also have different testing done in utero to see the sex of the baby as well. This figure is figure 2.6 from the textbook, and it just goes over the female reproductive organs. So it shows the path of conception through the fallopian tubes to the uterus. It shows the cervix, the vagina, and the sperm going into the cervix, into the uterus as well. It shows the ovaries and ovum as well. So did you know that females are born with hundreds of ova or even thousands of ova, and they are born with the ova that they will use to produce children? So they are actually born, if you are female, you are born with all your ova that you will be able to produce throughout your lifetime. So from birth, a female actually produces the hormones progesterone and estrogen, and females also have some testosterone as well. So we're going to briefly discuss development of sperm cells. So there are 46 chromosomes in the sperm cell. There are one X and one Y. So boys are conceived more than female babies. However, they have a higher risk of being miscarried, as well as a higher infant mortality rate than their girl counterparts. So what does this mean? It means that unfortunately male infants perish or pass away at a higher rate than girl infants. Next, we'll be discussing figure 2.7, human sperm swarming around the ovum in the fallopian tube. So on the left of the image, you see what looks like a red figure. This is to represent the ovum, and the figures swimming towards the ovum are actually the sperm. Next, we will be discussing section 2.5.